making Gravlax. We begin by chopping some dill. Is this how you did it?
Yeah, looks about right.
Looks about right. All right, we got dill. We got a mound of dill. That smell of wonderful dill. Oh, smell. It's amazing dill. All right, we have beets. All right. So we start with a cup of sugar. And half a cup of salt. This is coarse kosher salt. Were we supposed to use coarse salt? Did we use that last time?
Yeah, I think that's the right stuff.
Yeah?
I think so.
All right, we do a thing.
Is that half a cup? Alright.
Is this half a cup?
Yeah, that's half a cup, but did you fill it up half a cup is the
I
question.
did.
Okay.
So we're going to use some white pepper instead of black pepper, which is supposed to have a very interesting taste. Woo! That's our pepper. Now, normally we'd put some really smoky single malt whiskey in there, but because we can't do that on Passover, Prosecco. Ready? Steady. Whoa! Mazel tov. Mazel tov. Mazel tov. Oh, mazel tov. All right, we're mixing beets, dill, coarse salt, kosher salt, sugar, and Prosecco. And this is going to cure the fish. Oh, it'll cure it all right. And we pat that on the fish. Like so. We only did on the inside, right? Was that the deal?
No, I think we did both sides. I think if we have extra, we'll do the other side.
I think we did that side.
Maybe we didn't actually. Maybe you're right. I don't know.
We did. I think we do. So this is 3 days later. This is our final drain. These are the last of the juices coming out of that. Smell the dill. Oh man, I can smell it. That's all our dill. Okay.